Eruis integrated equipment for chicken slaughtering. We have highly promoted the slaughtering line equipment during the epidemic. The reason is that it doesn't need to be installed by professional staff. It can be used directly after receiving and plugging. Highest grade material is made of 304 stainless steel, rust and corrosion resistant, hard and durable, saving freight and space. A 40-feet container is sufficient for shipping. Small workshop space required for reasonable equipment layout. 8 working procedures. The whole slaughter assembly line consists of 8 links: chicken reception, stun, head cutting, bleeding, scalding, plucking, and eviscerate. Meet different production needs. It can meet slaughter productivity of 500 to 3000 bhp per hour. Customized services. Customers can also add feed and head cutting machines on demand.